Hello, everybody. I hope you're well. I'm here today to talk to you about the staff survey and our staff survey results. And firstly, I just wanted to say a big thank you to you for having completed the 1,192 people of you that completed the survey. That resulted in a 62% response rate, which is our highest response rate ever for the staff survey. So really excited about that. And why is it important? Because it's a really valuable tool for us to hear your voice. It's really powerful in terms of how it makes us change services and build services with you and to create the environment within our workplace that we all want to be part of. So thank you so much for taking 20, having that cup of tea and filling out your survey and giving that feedback. Really pleased to say that out of 8 out of 9 of the people promise areas we improved, and for the 9th we stayed the same. So we've done tremendously well to have turned the dial and improved in all core areas. So thank you so much for the work that you've all done over the last 12 months and 18 months with the comms team, with the people team, with in your local teams to really make those improvements. So thank you so much. So just in terms of some of the statistics, and I'm going to look at these, I haven't got the glasses on, so bear with, but 89.4% of you who completed the survey said that you feel that your role makes a difference to patients and service users. And I think that's a really important statistic, and it's a really lovely statistic to see. And as somebody that's a clinician, but also a local resident and a patient, and I see that within my community. And in all my walkabouts, I can see the absolute difference that you are making to people's lives. I also receive all of the compliments and thank you letters through. I've read some of those recently about community teams that have been going out and supporting people and getting back their lives. So that's a really good marker and important statistic for us. 88.7% of you said you enjoy working with your colleagues in your team, and I think that's really important. I think there was a statistic somewhere about we spend more time at work than we do with our own loved ones, and so being part of a team, I value that. I love working with my team of execs and senior leadership folk who give me inspiration and motivation every single day. And I think when you're going through challenging times or you've had a difficult day, working with colleagues is so important. So that was really good to see that feedback too. And 90%, nearly 91% of you said that you feel trusted in doing your job. And that was enormously pleasing for me to hear, because I think we have some fantastically talented people across our organisation, and you are absolutely trusted to do the great work, and we can see that great work every single day. So just a few of those statistics that I wanted to pull out for you. Now, next steps. Well, obviously we want to keep that momentum going. We've got lots of work, as you know, through the people promise and the culture work happening at the moment. But in terms of the staff survey results, those positive results are great, but we've still got some areas of improvement that we want to focus on with you. And the OD team, the HR team, the comms team have come up with an incredible management toolkit that will allow you as team leaders and wider staff to look at your results within your teams, so that you can take those results and say, wow, this is great stuff that we're doing here. How do we build on that? These are some of the areas that perhaps we might want to focus on for this year, and what's our action plan, key actions that we're going to do with support from the rest of the trust. So that Manager's Toolkit is going to be available coming down to all of the divisions and localities. So please do reach out to the HR and OD team that will help you. And I think there's some workshops coming up in the near future around the toolkit and how to use it, so that we can have some real clear focus on what we want to do and what we want to focus on for the next financial year, 25-26 going forward. So just a huge thank you again for me, for everybody that took the time to take that staff survey. It's given us some tremendous food for thought and some clear actions for next year, as well as reflect on all of the positive stuff that's been done last year. So huge thank you. Use the manager's toolkit, even if I can get the words out, and I'll see you soon. Take care.